Y'all finna try it. Ooh. Let me try some of the potatoes. This is it. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to be making fried rice, pineapple, just something I was craving. I was like, I have a pineapple here. I might as well just make a bougie dinner for tonight. So to start off with, this is just like, I just put, like, this is not the regular fried rice that you'd usually make for a fried rice. People usually put eggs, they put soya sauce. This is kind of like a curry pineapple taste that I wanted. Plus, I wanted it spicy. So, although you won't see me putting sriracha sauce inside the sauce and stuff, I do put it in the sauce and the potato bunch and the fried rice itself. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am just so shocked that Christmas is coming up. Like, it's literally a week until Christmas. Isn't that crazy, guys? Like, we literally finished this year. I remember starting the January. I remember the beginning of January this year. And I remember my situation. I remembered my position. And it's just crazy that I've come this far. And it's crazy because there's so many times where I wanted to start a YouTube channel, a YouTube, I wanted to start. And it's like something changed in me a couple of months ago. I'm not the same person I was January. January me wasn't really thinking the way I was thinking now. And so I just want to thank God for my progress. I want to thank God that, He's giving me ideas, showing me what I must do, helping me with these videos, showing me what type of niche I want to focus on. And I realized something. I love food. I love cooking. Ever since I was young, I've always made cooking videos and talked and all of those stuff. It's just in my nature. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do what I always did as a child. Record myself while cooking, while talking to people. And this is what I'm doing. That's my niche. I found out what I actually want to do. I want to be cooking and I want to just chat. I just want to have a AnnaTalk and cooking. And so if you guys want the recipe, please comment down below, because this is just like a regular idea that popped in my head for dinner. And so if you guys are ever interested in the meals that I cook, please be sure to comment down below. And if it gets to a point where I'm cooking and I'm making videos and stuff, I will make a note section, a note, the notepad on the iPhone where you write down your notes and stuff. I'll share it to all of you guys on my link tree. But for now, just let me know how you guys like this video. Anyways, I'm just showing you guys what I'm putting in. And really, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. I really enjoy cooking. It tastes great. The only thing that I was missing was salt, so I just sprinkled a little bit on top. But overall, it tastes juicy. It tastes nice. I wish I added a little bit more curry, but other than that, the food is bomb. It is bomb, okay? I ate down when I cooked this, okay? Anyways, but yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you guys are having great, rest of this year, you know what I mean? Because it's hard for a lot of people out there. And if you're going through something, I hope that this video brings you joy. I hope that this video brings a smile on your face. I hope that listening to me talk, or just forgetting about your problems while watching my videos, make you smile, because that is my goal. I want you guys to forget about your life issues when you come on this platform, on this channel of mine. So even though I might have some rants about my life and stuff, but as long as you're not thinking about your life, I achieved something. You feel me? So yeah, overall the meal was nice, and my boyfriend hasn't came home from work yet, so I'm curious to see how he will like it. But guys, you know, this meal. I've been craving it, and I'm like looking on TikTok and stuff, and I'm not seeing the recipes that I have at home because I'm not about to go outside and find recipes. No, I'm finna use what I have in the house and just make a meal out of it. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what I did. And also, the smoke alarm, when I get that money, the smoke alarm will be changed, so it's not gonna be beeping in the background of my videos anymore. You hear that? In my videos anymore. But yeah, it was really fun making this, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. If you're watching this, I love you, and I hope you're having a great day. And yeah, this is the end of my talk session. Enjoy my brother's beats.
Food. The universal love language that everyone understands.